Fuck boy tryna play my homie, but 2020 I'ma take time on me. Out the window where my main line goes, this is sacrilegious how I'm gon' fade off IG. Heartache comes in many forms. One day opens any door, but I've never seen this distant. What success, my eyes are on the screen. If you heard and call my line, and if you're doing good, it's not like I don't care. I wanna see the world. This ain't the same if I can breathe your air. Fuck a boy tryna play my homie, but 2020 I'ma take time on me. Out the window where my main line goes, this is sacrilegious how I'm gon' fade off IG. Hope you find someone who can be invested. I'm not over you, that's not my objective. So obsessed with my mistakes, I gotta accept them. So I'm not gonna listen to him. He always wants a little more, lost in his fake love and subliminals. Won't stay true if it's difficult, a lie's a lie. Won't hide shit to waste your time. And that's just being honest. Shouldn't fall in love and I shouldn't go to college. Gotta fight off all the pain he made in August. I'm not who you think I am. Fuck boy tryna play my homie, but 2020 I'ma take time on me. I do it on where my main line goes. This is sacrilegious, now I go fade on IG. I won't put no filler, no thought in my set list. You set up your standards for it, I should be impressed with. I'm so metric, I'm a lion, I need healthy. Concrete bottom, you can say I learned my lesson. Play my homie, but 2020, but take time.